Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to use XLOOKUP in Google Sheet. Okay, so if you want to learn how to use XLOOKUP in Google Spreadsheet, this video will show you how to do it. Here I have created this XLOOKUP, applied this XLOOKUP in this cell, these cells. Okay, so when I change the product ID, the name of the product will also automatically change the price and unit sold. So I have extracted this data by using XLOOKUP. Okay, so I will show you here how to do it. First I will copy this. Okay, then first what you have to do, you have to just create an drop down list of product ID. Okay, so how to create that list? You have to go to, just select the cell where you want to create the drop down list, then go to data, here data validation, now add rule. Okay, then here in criteria you have to choose drop down from the range. Now select data range. So I want to create the drop down of this product ID, so you have to select whole column, click on OK, then click on done. Then you will see the drop down list has been created. Okay, now for the product name, so on the basis of this product ID I will extract the product name from this table. So what you have to do, you have to use this XLOOKUP. Okay, then first it will ask for search key. So what is the search key? On the basis of this product ID, okay, this cell. Then lookup range. So lookup range is this product ID. On the basis of this product ID, so you have to select whole column of the product ID. Then result. So what is the, or which is the result you want, which column you want as a result? So I want the product name. Okay, so product name will be the result. Okay, now if I change the ID, you will see the product name is also changed. Now go to price, and again you have to just use this XLOOKUP. Search key will be product ID. Okay, because on the basis of product ID we will find the price of that product. Then lookup range, so lookup range will also be this product ID. Okay, then result range, so result range will be price. Okay, then close. Then at unit sold, so on the basis of this we will use XLOOKUP again. Then search key will be again product ID. Then lookup range will again product column ID column. Okay, then result range will be unit sold. Now bracket close. Now you will see if, sorry, 21. Okay, then bracket close. So now if I change the product ID, product name, product price and unit sold is appeared. Okay, automatically changed. So like this you can use XLOOKUP in Google Sheets. So if you like this video, please like my video and also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.